Finish it. Aranya. No good. Rebound by Facundo. Inside black. By number 10. Look at ball pass to Heman. That will back. Number 1. Base shot inside. Pass number 3. Pass to Heman. Beating from the high. Pass. No good. Rebound by number 9. No good. Rebound by number 10. Stepping into play. Menezes pass back. Look at the communication of a twin. Aranya retiring the ball. Aranya dribbling the ball. Pass to Sonny and the ball's off. Another interrupt to Mamarin. Back to Ryan. Fight the shit. Silas Parko together from the long ball. No good. Rebound by Ryan Aranya. Miller. Back to Cyrus inside. Cyrus. The shot. No good. Rebound by Heman. That will back. Number 10, Menezes. Back to Heman. 15 to shoot. They're one for the long ball. Back. He's not down. He's back to Warren Pingris. 16 seconds to shoot. Pingris. Everybody leave Warren Pingris. Pass to Hayes with a long three. Yes, sir. Hayes for three. Warren ball pass. Big pass to Menezes. Menezes with a long ball. No good. Rebound by Diane Paulson. Pass to Cyrus Paglia. Cyrus inside. Papa Cyrus in the pass. Cyrus Paglia. Either one by one. Number 1 pass to the Pirates. League 9 pass out pass to number 1 3. No good. Rebound by Miller. Number steal. Number 13. Going to the pass. Single. Menezes to the ball. Menezes. 10 to shoot. Check it for a shot. No good. Miller, pass to Soldier Gallup. Pass to Hayes. That the other team. 13 seconds to shoot. That's an offensive. The long dribble ball pass to the big runs. Pass to Menezes. Menezes number 1. Pass to Hayes. That out the ball comes out. Over Gallup 10 to shoot. Miller for 3. No good. Menezes pass to number 3. It's good. Ball back on the line. And Gallup, number 1. Ball pass to The second river is here. 5 minutes, 33 seconds. Cyrus pass the mark, progress. 15 to shoot. Okay, started by Bogis. Pass to Cyrus, Baguio. Cyrus taking both passes on the long ball play. Look good. Right off another turn. Pass to Ricardo. 5 minutes. Pass to Big Mel on the high. Danny on the ball play inside. Number 3, the fake up. Pass to Menendez. Look good. Cyrus. More progress. 10 to shoot. Danny. Still. That's the other back. There's one here. Miller pass to Hayes. Pass to Johnny Albaza. Hayes moving. 55 seconds.
89-92.
Kulang kalamangan. Last 50 seconds. Ten to shoot. Miller for three. Well,